All right, Hazel, what do we have right now?
Daddy's book. Like, this is too heavy for me to lift.
It's kind of weighty. So, giant package here, which is, somewhat in position because it's a large book and we're having to go through it. So, this is in here copies of Kotlin and Android Development featuring Jetpack, which I started working on in, oh my goodness, when was that now? August
28?
No, it wasn't this version.
19.
We started discussing doing a book in 2018 at that conference. 2019, it was, yes, let's go ahead and do one for Kotlin and Android together. And so kind of started on it right there. The first chunk of it was, hey, I want to do a baseball app, and I want to go ahead and I want to write my own baseball league to use for everything. I don't have to worry about any of the legal stuff. It's in here, it's great, it's ready to go. And so I wrote my own baseball league, because of course I did, because it's baseball and that's what I do.
And
then,
my dad loves it.
Yes. And then got the other parts of the app set, wrote all the code, got everything moved forward, continued on, and 450 pages later, we got this guy come out that I'm hopefully going to be able to open without
Taking the book?
damaging myself. But, seeing right here, slightly.
That is
Move
smaller
page.
than I expected.
That's still pretty good with
I
this.
do not appreciate that.
Aaron Rodgers. So we got the book here. Got it on the side. You can even see name and everything like that. Dr. Benkat's quote on the back and everything. Whoop, I think I saw a name that I recognize. Oh, hold on. Actually, I know what section you need to go to, because there's the discussion about the game logic, which is right at the end of here. I'm going to flip over to this. This is going to be, for anybody reading along at home, which I know you're not, there is, that's actually going to be at the end of chapter 7. Things blur together slightly when you get to having this many pages with it. But I know where it is.
Because you wrote it.
I did. Every single part of this. Enable Hazel mode. So, Hazel, can you see that? So again, right here, enable Hazel mode. Discussion about the little queen of sixes.
Can you read it, Hazel?
I don't know.
You can, but you're being silly. So, that's there. There's the Android Baseball League. Here's the full everything with it. It is here. It is ready to go. And it is available, and that is awesome. So, thank you. Emily's behind the camera, being shy.
Hi.
Hazel, thank you. Mom and Dad are in the other room. Thank you to you as well.
Got the book.
And there we go.